Go ahead and hold that. Hold it up super high. Right there. Okay.
Hi there.
Right there. Just stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Just keep watching.
So we are going to do something fun in a sec.
I think I messed up on the teeth and the design.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do another one after this with bigger teeth.
Yeah, and the teeth went higher and higher.
Oh no, the teeth are all in the right place. The printer came out, did exactly the right thing. But I think the teeth are just too small. The teeth on the inside, not the teeth on the outside. Alright. Now follow me. No, point the camera. Let's see. I just took it off. And it works just fine. Look at that.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
So we...
Not bad. That's what it looks like on the other side. I got to take this stuff off the teeth.
Yeah.
I printed it upside down by accident. Don't. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
It's working pretty well.
Could it be a toy?
It is a toy.
Wow.
Good job, buddy. Thank you for taking that photo. Boop, ba, doop, ba, doop.
Goodbye.